Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my August 2019 SugarMuses box. It's a deluxe SugarMuse box, just like always. It's been a day, so hopefully this will be a much needed ray of sunshine. I really should be wearing my brace, but I like to take it off to give my hand a break because it does kind of mark me up. But good news in my healing, I'm not so swollen that I can't wear my wedding ring, so there's that. Garden Magic, nice. Nice. I love that. Jade. Big pretty artwork. I love these. I've already told you guys what I do with this. If you haven't stayed, ooh, very carefully. I like to keep these envelopes for intention packets. The Queen of Pentacles. Very nice. Very nice. It smells quite lovely in here. Here's her card, per usual. No idea what to expect because I've been so busy. I've been kind of off of YouTube a little. Oh man, this incense smells wonderful. Oh man, look at that lovely thing. Garden Magic candle. Wow. My garden got some much needed rain today. It was quite wonderful. So pretty. You hear some music. It's this background noise because my husband's playing a game called like Divinity. Seems pretty cool, but obviously I have not had a chance to play because I have been working. Look at these lovelies. Wow. I'm assuming one is jade because of the artwork, but you know what they say about assuming. Secret Garden tea. It's actually quite lovely. Hibiscus petals, lemon peel, orange peel, rose hips, rose petals, and fruit flavor. I'm not sure how she gets the fruit flavor in there, but I will say this is a very vitamin C rich tea. That's a lot of vitamin C rich ingredients. Flower offerings, lovely, love those. Wormwood, very nice. I like her new stickers, cool, very cool. Does kind of remind me of Bill Cipher, for those of you who know that reference. Oh, look at you. So pretty. I love that. Oh, God. Ow. I can't do this. This. Those are painful movements for me. But when I'm not wearing my brace, ooh, yum. This is very floral. I don't know, maybe gardenia or honeysuckle or something. Oh, we've got some pretty oil in here. I will tell you about my day after I'm done with the unboxing so that people who are just wanting to see the unboxing don't have to listen to me ramble on. I know some of you like to hear about my personal life, but I respect that some of you just want to see what's in the box. It's a very interesting smell. I love the bottles. They do have, it reminds me kind of like of Anita Apothecary's, but she doesn't use that color lid. Ooh, there's more. It looks like I got a beautiful little plate here. Tree. Oh god. Oh. Jeez. Rachel Patterson, Kitchen Whipcraft, Garden Magic. Cool. A book from my collection. Very nice. Alright. Last month we explored the element of water and ways to use it in our practices. This month we ground ourselves deeply in the earth. We celebrate the month of August and the last full month of summer for those of us who live in the northern hemisphere. Next month brings the autumn equinox, the beginning of shadow season, and the celebration of Mabon. Magical herbalism and gardening in itself is considered to be major magic. Magical herbs and plants have their own energies and correspondences. There is nothing quite like making or growing a magical tool yourself. As you know, self-created magical tools or objects become twice as powerful from absorbing the energy that you expended in the making of the item, so the same can be said for cultivating your own magical flowers and plants and using them in your practice. Herbs, botanicals, and trees are an integral part of green witchcraft. Whether you have a vast green space available in your backyard or only a few potted plants in a city apartment, they are an important ingredient in witchcraft. When you are attuned to the powers around you, every aspect of your life becomes infused with magic. Remember that in the green craft, if you give a gift, you will get a gift. If you gather an herb for spell work, offer the plant a blessing to show your gratitude. Gifts can include crystals, milk, a coin, or eggshells. Botanicals can be used in magical teas and ritual oils and spell bags or burned as an offering, to name a few. A plant's color also correlates to the certain spell work. For example, white is peace, love, and new beginnings. She goes on about colors here. The magical contents of this box can be used in the order they're listed. So basically, ritual salts, Epsom salt, Dead Sea salt, bay leaf, and essential oils. Cinnamon, patchouli, incense. That's a great smell. Wow. Tree of Life incense holder. Very nice. Close your eyes and imagine yourself sitting. Oh, she's talking about the thing. Green Witch ritual oil. Basil, rosemary, thyme, oak moss, patchouli, and cucumber. With almond oil and vitamin E. Very nice. Flower offering. Wormwood blend incense. Wormwood, white sage purification, and bay leaf. Oh, so this is an incense. Cool. Hand poured candle. Very lovely. So there's unakite and jade. This is an unakite for sure. And this is a beautiful jade. Love that. I'm going to China later this year and I'm super excited to go to a jade factory. See what's up with that. Envision yourself surrounded by a soothing green light. Boop, boop, boop. I think that's it. Oh, chakra tree pendant. Which is very cool. Secret Garden organic tea. Garden magic book. Book of Shadows art print. Intuitively drawn tarot card from Before Tarot. That's the name of the deck. So very pretty. Very nice. Very loving this box. It's very cool. This candle is just enchanting. The stones are large and I like them. Both of these are kind of different mixes than I already had, so that's pretty cool. This is a very interesting piece. This smells very cool as well. I love always the bath salts and all of the art, and have always give a book a chance. So that was the witches, or I'm so sorry, Christy. SugarMuses Deluxe Muse Box, August 2019. That's what this was. It has been a day for me. So I have, work. I work full time. I'm a nurse. And my husband calls because our little fish tank is leaking all over our bedroom. And also when he came home from picking up our son, he found a a leaking fish tank, and B, a note from animal control on our door. So I called animal control while he tried to gauge the problem with the fish tank. And animal control told me that my dogs, my little ones, Jolene and Duke, were in the highway again, and he had to bring them in. Which, if you've watched my channel, you know that Duke was hit by a car not that long ago. So, horrifying. I called my husband. It turns out that Jolene, bless her smart little soul, had dug a tunnel under the deck, and from that tunnel wormed her way all the way out the front porch, and she led Duke out with her. So my husband, God bless him, had to go put cinder blocks to block underneath the house to block all of that, and the fish tank is leaking. So as soon as I get off work, we have to go try to get something to replace it, or all the fish and the snails are gonna die. So we've been setting up a fish tank. When we come home, even though we had left towels at the base of the aquarium, the water had spread so far that I smelled a bad smell, and I heard cracking, and it had reached a surge protector that was laying in the floor across the room, and so that was completely ruined. But the good news is we have a tank. It's almost ready for the fish, who are not very pleased with their little Tupperware home right now. The dogs are safe and the way is blocked, and I will be sending a thank you to our friendly animal control officer. And I get to open a beautiful box here with you, and everything, despite being challenging, turned out a-okay. So I'm super, super grateful. And in the end, it is still happily ever after. So, exhausting night. I'm going to post this. I hope you guys can bear with me. I will be getting to my 600 subscriber giveaway. I promise. I'm just, my bandwidth is done. But I don't like to open the box without, I popped this. I don't like to open the box without filming it. And I really wanted to open the box. I'm like, please, something go right. And here we are. So thank you guys for listening to me ramble. I hope you are having a better night than I am. But I similarly hope that even if you're not, that it all ends up okay. And that there was no permanent harm done to anybody. And that you are blessed and safe in your home tonight. As always, please like, comment. If you haven't already, subscribe. There's going to be a giveaway. As far as the study group, I finished my objectives as far as astrology goes for the week, and I'll be putting up some objectives and some of my notes for next week. I started yesterday to work on my full moon research for the full moon in Aquarius, and unfortunately I was not able to do that tonight. I have been running for hours from the moment I woke up at 6 a.m. to, what is it, 10:30 tonight. So I'm gonna upload this and go to bed. You have a wonderful night. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.